Okay, I've got a photo of Amantea, Calabria, which is actually one of my hometowns in Italy. And I've got this photo here, and it needs some color correction, so I'm going to use it as an example of us correcting some color. So the first thing I notice, I'm going to name the layer. I named it Amantea. Then I'm actually going to duplicate it. Okay, so I'm going to go Amantea and then right color. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I may want to go back to the original for some things later, and we'll see that. But for now, I'm going to work in the Amantea color layer, and I'm going to go to color saturation. And this is an effect, a color effect, and if I hit split view, you'll see I'll see it on both sides. So let's bring the saturation up a little bit. And you can see that brings out the color, but if you don't see it, you can turn on the split view, and you can see to the right and the left of split view. So you see, and it really brings it out on the castle right here. So I kind of like that. I may bring it even a little more. Now this is all to your preference. So I'm going to hit OK. Okay, now I've got that, and I can play with some other things. I'm just going to go through them real quick. The exposure level, that'll actually add a little bit of tone to it. See there? I kind of like bringing up the brightness a little bit to make it pop. And actually, if I do that, I can change the modes. So you might see that there's a lot of modes here to play with. I can also duplicate the layer again now if I want to try different effects. So I'm going to go here. And I'll just show you a little bit more. So color balance, color temperature, brightness contrast. Now I might bring the brightness up a little bit. Okay. So let's say I like that, okay? Let's say I like that. I'm going to show you something. Now, if you've noticed, the effect has really brought out the statue, which later part of your task is going to be to actually clean the statue. But look at the clouds. The clouds have gotten really white. So what I can do, and the reason why I've duplicated the layers, I say I may not actually want the effect on the clouds. So I can take the eraser tool and bring it up a little bit. So I'll have the effect, but not on the clouds. Or actually the whole sky, because I kind of like the sky at the original color. So this, sometimes you go really small, but because this is such a large area, I can actually use a big brush. Okay, and I wonder about the house as well. Yeah, I kind of like the house being erased too. So that is adjusting colors and using different masks. Now, your task on this would be to add some color corrections, play with some filters. I'll let you just play with them too, and fix up the statue and the castle as well with the clone tool that we